Hi, I'm doing another giveaway for Knit Crate. This is sponsored by Knit Crate. And if you'd like to join under me, your first month can be 20% off if you put in the promo code Jewel20 and you get 20% off. And all information is listed down below. To participate in this giveaway, I just ask that you subscribe and that you comment down below something crochet related, perhaps what you're working on or videos you'd like to see in the future. And all my promotions are listed down below for the Knit Crate and for, I have 2 books on Amazon, Crochet for Beginners and Crochet Hats that I wrote. I also have an Etsy store with just some mugs and a bag if you'd like to take a look. So let's take a look at this Knit Crate. Every month you would get 2 skeins of yarn and a booklet. So this yarn is very pretty. As you can see, it has like a white with blue speckled purple, a little bit of lavender in it. And this is from Creative Grandma, Audine Wools, Knit by Knit Crate. Now I have watched her videos. I didn't realize this was through Creative Grandma, so this is affiliated with her as well. And that's a great way to get her name out there for crocheting. I believe if you're not familiar with Creative Grandma, which I'm sure you probably are if you're a crocheter, she, I think, has been a YouTuber for a couple of years now, because I have been on her channel before. Just she does great work. And this is her information for her yarn. Merino, sport weight. That's all her information. This is a giveaway, and this yarn is kind of like a finer yarn, but it's really soft and pretty. This is a button, very cute button. I really like the colors in it. I always like to give like a little trinket. And this is Inspirations, a nice, looks like a really nice crochet scarf. And this is Creative Grandma. I wonder how she did this, to be honest. I didn't know that she could be a part of Knit Crate. Maybe she reached out to them. But she launched Creative Grandma in 2018 with her daughter, which I was right, which was 2 years ago. I've been on YouTube since 6 or 7 years ago, so I want to say 2014 maybe even sooner. I just know my daughter was like 5 or 6 when I started doing YouTube, and she's almost 13. So I think she was like 6 or 7, I don't know. So anyways, this is her information about her knit know-how / Creative Grandma. If you just, and she said thanks to her Creative Grandma channel, you can find step-by-step crochet videos. So she's been doing that for a couple years. Good for her. This is what she looks like if you haven't already seen her. She shows her face on YouTube. I'd like to stay anonymous. I don't want to show my face on YouTube, and I don't really like how I look on video anyways. That's if anybody ever wondered why I'm not on YouTube with my face. That's why, because I like to be anonymous, and I'm kind of particular about, I'd rather show my hands. But that's what she looks like, and you can always go to her channel. She has great tutorials. Now here is some socks that look like crochet, fingerless gloves, and some socks. And this is what it looks like. Looks like this is the knitting one, and I only know how to knit, but I'm not very good at doing a purl stitch. I feel like I do better with crocheting rather than knitting. I started with knitting when I began my journey with being creative with needles, and I just couldn't get the hang of the purl stitch. And so I decided to go with crocheting because I had a friend in a mom's group that was doing crocheting, so I decided to do that instead, which I'm really glad I did, because I feel like crocheting is so much easier. But I do believe knit stitches are so intricate and tighter, and are pretty as well. So this is the fingerless gloves. This one is the double crochet. And this is the hat. And the whole pattern's in here. And this is the knit pattern for the socks. And this is the crochet pattern for the socks. Okay, so I just ask that you comment down below so I can put you in the random comment picker. Make sure you're a subscriber. This is a great promotion for Creative Grandma, so you could go on over to her channel if you haven't already and look at her tutorials. She's very descriptive, which is great. I'm more of like get to the point kind of person, which sometimes I am just because I have a busy schedule with 2 kids and everything. So anyways, I just want to say thank you for watching. Make sure you're a subscriber. And if you'd like to join, please sign up with my information down below.